Welcome to the installation, commissioning, and operation guide for the NM8N molded case circuit breaker. Before starting, please disconnect the power supply and wear insulated gloves and protective goggles. Please prepare wires of appropriate specifications, electric screwdriver, hex driver, insulated gloves. Before beginning installation, carefully read the instructions to ensure the installation environment meets the requirements. Confirm that there are no flammable or explosive gases, and that the environment is dry. Confirm that there are no corrosive gases at the installation location to prevent damage to the metal parts and insulating materials of the circuit breaker. Before installation, visually inspect the switch, check if the standard accessories inside the product packaging are complete. Check for any transportation damage or defects in the product, and verify that the product model matches the order. Ensure that the circuit where the circuit breaker will be installed is powered off, then according to the installation dimensions and data provided in the instructions. Fix the circuit breaker to the distribution board. Please note that circuit breakers of different frames require different screws and fasteners. Fix according to the installation dimensions, screw specifications, and torque requirements specified in the instructions. Next, start the wiring by connecting the power and load lines. When wiring, make connections according to the number of poles of the circuit breaker, to ensure all wiring complies with electrical standards and is correct. Finally, insert the arc barrier in the direction indicated into the installation slot. Test by following the sequence: reset, close, open, close, trip to confirm that the basic functions of the circuit breaker are normal. Carefully check that all connections are correct and secure, with no looseness or poor contact. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.